Okay, so I hope you can see what's happening right now. I really do hope so, man, because I don't have a gimbal yet, but here we go. So I am about to go home. As you can see, that's the direction. I'm just gonna play it by ear. So right now I'm just looking ahead, making sure. Okay, yeah, you could see. Okay, I'm going for it. See, you don't have to hesitate. So I'm looking in the mirrors. Okay, yeah, so this is the first video I'm making of me riding. By the way, this is my first day ever, okay? First day riding a scooter or a bike on my own. So I think I'm doing pretty good. Kind of feels like riding a bike on a video game, so I guess I got good training because I used to play a lot of GTA. Anywho, I just came back from a restaurant. Oh, what? Sunlight Financial? Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, we're near the immigration office here. Okay. So I just got back from a restaurant, ordered a bunch of soups, and yeah, what did I get? I got soup and some bread. I got and also some rice. And it cost me in total about like $8. And I had 2 plates and bread. But yeah, food is pretty cheap here. Okay, it's a given. Anyhow, okay, so I gotta keep going straight. I kind of remember this place. Okay, look on the sides. And yeah, the thing is, I have to figure out. So, oh yeah, and also 2 smoothies, mango smoothies. Man, smoothies out here, especially mango, tastes so good. So, yeah. Alright, so there's a bit of traffic. I think I got this. So see, the deal here is you go through things like this and then kind of Spider-Man your way through things. Okay. So I'm turning left, so that's why I'm staying on this lane. Yep, according to Google, I'm turning left too. So I'm putting my signal and off I go. Nice, nice. I don't even have to worry about, you know, red lights and whatever. I just follow the crowd. And yeah, so I'm gonna be on the other lane. Okay, I see 2 new cars here. Anyhow, yeah, so the thing I want to say is I think I'm gonna start making a series of videos called Ride With Me. Not like the song, if you want to go and take a ride with me. No, not like that, but you know, just ride with me, where I just talk about stuff and as I ride. What's your deal, man? What's your deal? Okay, where am I supposed to go? I'm turning right afterwards, right? So I better be on the right lane, and it was a green light, so I'm good. So let me be on the right lane for a minute, and let me speed up a little bit. So yeah, first time riding a bike, man, it's so cool. And honestly, I don't know why I didn't like rent a scooter early on. It's been a month here, so I got this one for a month, and it's pretty cheap. Actually, averages out to being like okay, I'm turning right, being like $2.50 a day, which is nothing. Full tank of gas, $2.50. That's also nothing. And yeah, so let me just turn on my signal. And yeah, it's pretty convenient, to be honest, when you think of it. Okay, I'm gonna speed up a little bit, and here we go. So I'm gonna turn left afterwards, so I better be on this lane. Okay. Yeah. And so yeah, so today I went to a vegan place. It took me like 20 minutes, and I tried not to use the GPS as much as possible so that I can get to learn the roads. And Okay, so I'm gonna turn right. And yeah, it was great. I had the best food ever because this whole time, you know what I've been doing, man? I've been just walking to those warongs. If I see one, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn left at some point. Okay. Turn left here. And yeah, we didn't see any warongs yet, but yeah, I've been just walking to that place, and man, even though the food is good. Oh yeah, by the way, I got sick, and I got sick ordering food from a place I thought it was good, plus the food was kind of expensive. It cost me like 20 bucks in total. I had a smoothie and something that looked like a soup or a patty. Okay. So yeah, so the warongs are what you see over there, you know, on my left. See, we're right, this is another warong. It's like a local restaurant, mom and pop shop type of deal. Okay. And yeah, I think I know the way from now on. Just got to turn left at the gas station and I'm good. And you know, even though it's good, sometimes you gotta, I mean, I've just been walking to these places, and so it wasn't that great. Now that I have a bike, I can just bike wherever I want to go. And yeah, so I had a full tank, and I rode maybe like an hour in total today, and it's still full. So I'm enjoying this. Tomorrow I can get back into running because I'll be running by the beach, and I'm pretty pumped about it too. So I'm gonna take a Lopez here because it's more quiet, and I get to ride a little bit longer with you guys. So yeah, on my left is a hospital, which is really nearby my place, as you can see. So I kind of feel good, you know. I was sick yesterday and I was like, oh man, should I go to the clinic, the hospital? I mean, it's just right in the block. But yeah, and there's kind of a school too. I mean, it's pretty sweet, to be honest. Life here is very simple. Very, very simple. Especially, it helps that it's cheap. Is there someone behind me? Yeah, there's someone behind me. So it helps. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna show you. There's a Canadian pizza place not too far from here. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll show it to you. Okay, so why do cars slow down like slow motion, you know? Why? Okay, so the Canadian place is on my left. Giant Pizza. Okay, so we are almost home. We are going to take a Rodriguez right here and go home. And the journey is over, guys. Don't text and drive, don't do what I do. I just wanted to keep quiet until I get here. And so yeah, we are home, ladies. We are home, ladies and ladies. Woo. So I hope you enjoyed this ride. I'll be making a few more of those because I think it's kind of cool. Because I get to talk to myself instead of just, you know, riding along. Plus, I get to spit some knowledge. Alright, I shall catch you in the next one.